Too bad, so sad. Nothing but cough drops and a milk sipper. And thunder! Oh joy! Mother Nature might just literally rain on my parade. Take these off later. Alright, what's on the criminal side? Gotta be careful I don't get myself locked up in here. Junior police officer ripped up badge. Just a bunch of loose screws. That's bolted down. Alright. Well, we'll do that one later on then. We'll do a pull-out video. Giggity. First things first, take a quick drink. What brand they used up here? Little pee hole right there. What that's about? Trunk time. Wife's doing laundry apparently. This is my bag. Ignore this. I won't fucking say, "Oh my God, look what I found here." Bullshit. I'm not into kind of what we call it, not jailbait. That's something completely different. I forget what the term is. Let's see. So this is also mine. Got to throw this in here because my buddy was getting a little bit angry at me for having parts at his house. All right. Full-size spare. Lovely. You know, let me turn the car off because now I'm getting the exhaust in my face here. But first, I'm going to pop the hood open. Oh, that AC feels so goddamn amazing. It's still cold. If this was the Impala, I'd already be messed up again. Got Fonzie the hood. Now again, this is the biggest surprise. Besides being a six-banger, it doesn't have hydraulic arms. I will try and remember that later. And they took the light for the hood. Oh, goddamn. Listen to how well she runs. Air filter was good, cabin air filter was good. So she's been pretty well maintained. So nice. And I adjusted the oil on her. Tires have plenty of meat on them. It's a nice car. All right, trunk time. They tone her up a bit. I don't see any real equipment mounts up here, so that's kind of let down. Put the camera here for a second so admire the molding as I pull out the spare tire. This has been plugged before. This got rid of something. I'll show you in a minute. Nice, a lot of tread left. There's the wear mark. It's a half tread. There's a little plug on it. It's getting a little warm. Give me a minute. I'm gonna pause for a second. All right, I'm back at it. I have no idea what that is. I'm gonna throw it over here in the pile. No idea what that is. I'm guessing it's a battery cover. Spare tire guide. Why do I have two sets of jacks? I don't mind it. Ooh, shades. Oh boy. Yep, here comes the storm. At least get this one video done before it rains. Please God. Alright. Got some mounting bolts. Put those up here. I like the mount location. Oh! Ooh! Body armor. Naughty, naughty. That's not part of the kit. Well, part of my kit. That tree is dying. We have a socket. We have a random ass glove. A phone number. Oh, it's not a glove. It's a headband. Huh. What we got here? That is more glove shits. Jesus. Well, safe to assume. Oh, they had a federal signal. Signal Corp module. What is this module? I must know. Tell me your secrets. Ooh, strobe kit. Wait a minute. Does she still have strobes in her? Oh, goddamn. I didn't even know that. I'm trying to tell. It's hard to do with these lights. Huh. Let's take a minute. I'm gonna pop one off. It's only your wing nuts, so. One. Should be one more. Or two more. Two. Huh. Try to get this thing off. Will that rain? Survey says yes, she has her strobes in her still. What's this? Huh. Well, that's cool. I didn't know she still had them in her. Yep, it's raining. God damn it. Damn you, Mother Nature. Put this over here. Ah. Damn it. We have to find out what this particular box here is. Ah. Hey, wired thing up real nice. I'm actually really surprised the stroke is in her. And the spiders are still mauling my goddamn fingers. Come on. Get back over the cover. Everything's biting my fingers right now. The battery hold down? Huh. Are these crack pipes? No, they're plastic. They couldn't be. Tire lockdown. Hold down, whatever. Huh. Yeah, it's definitely raining coming down right now. And lightning. Like, comment, subscribe if you saw that. Or heard that. God damn. That's what I get for washing my car. Rain. This. Take this. Let's see. I think you go like this. Hold on, guys. Oh shit, I forgot. Back in. Something here is holding it up. God damn it. I'll have to show my ass to you guys, but oh, that would explain it. Ah! Oh god, that's, oh god, really rain. Come on, come on. Get back on there. Okay, got that back on. You. These blocks back here. Get this thing back on there. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get everything back. Come on. Get this thing on there, I'd be really happy right now. Give me a minute. I'm sorry, guys. Let me pause it so you guys don't have to watch me struggle. Well, now it's going to come down pretty hard. Ah. gonna take everything, throw it in the trunk, and call it a day for now. Oh God! As the rain is thoroughly making me its bitch. Anytime. God damn it. Thanks for watching. Expect more in the future.